Hey guys, so today I'm going to be creating this beautiful look using the Nude Revolution Nudes palette. If you want to see how I create this look, just keep on watching. So I have my Revolution Nudes palette. I haven't yet used this, so this will be the first time doing anything with it. I got this when it came out, like when it first came out, and it's kind of just been sitting there while I have tried out other eyeshadow palettes in the meantime. So here is what it looks like before I ruin it. Now I've already primed my eyelids, and I'm going to take the shade In the Buff. I'm going to set my concealer because I've literally just concealed. So I'm just going to set it. And as you see, I like to pat it first, so not to move the concealer underneath. And then once I feel that there's enough eyeshadow on there, I can then swipe it so to catch any part that I may have missed. So as you can see, this is a very natural, neutral kind of palette. It smells like chocolate, just like a lot of their other palettes do. I'm going to take the shade Birthday Suit right here, pinky looking shade, and I'm going to put it just above the crease. And then I'm just going to blend them. The thing is, it's blended out itself like really well, so I don't need to do much blending. And I like that shade. It's just a soft peachy pink. So pretty. Now I'm going to go in with Au Naturel, this purpley shade, and I'm going to go into the crease. And I'm going to blend it up. I'm going to go in with it a little bit more. You know what this is making me, you know what this is reminding me of? Now, as I'm looking at it, it's reminding me of the Tryst palette by Vizia. And I think I'm going to have to do like a comparison video of the two, because there are some shades in here. Even though I think the Tryst palette has 9 shades, this has some shades which are very similar. Like, I did not notice it before. To be fair, I didn't really stare at this or anything when I got it. Like, I literally just picked it up, and then as soon as I took it home, I made sure that it was not broken, and then I put it down, and only now I'm picking it back up again. So to be honest, it's not even like I've looked at it 1,000,001 times, because I haven't. But now that I'm looking at it, I'm just getting Tryst palette vibes. So I may have to do a comparison of the Tryst palette and this Nudes palette, because I'm really feeling that there are some shades in here which are really reminiscent of that palette. Those two have blended very well together. Then I'm going to take the shade. Okay. Okay, using my flat brush, I'm going to take the shade In the Nude. I'm going to take my strawberry smoothing face mist from Body Shop, and I'm going to put it right in the center. Oh, that is so nice. I'm going to do the same over here. Okay, I'm actually going to drag it down to the inner corner. And then again with my fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend out that edge. Then I'm going to take the shade Brazen here, and I'm going to do the outer. And then I'm going to use the fluffy brush just to blend those together. Okay, so I kind of feel like that brazen shade, it's a little bit on the tougher side to work with. Like, you're gonna have to sit there and blend that out for a while for it to work. Okay, so I'm gonna go off camera and do the rest of my makeup, and then I'll show you the finished look. Okay, so I've gone and done the rest of my makeup. I'm going to use Bare It All, this one at the top, do my lower lash line. And that is the finished look. I'm going to use my Barry M Matte Fixing Spray. Whew. Now, while I was off camera, I was comparing the nude palette to the Tryst palette, and I definitely see that there is a resemblance between the two. Even though the Tryst palette has 9 pans and this one has, what, 16, 18 pans, there's definitely some resemblance between the two. So I'm going to be doing a comparison between the two to see if they swatch the same, because I don't know whether or not they swatch the same. And sometimes the way a shadow looks in the palette versus how it swatches or how it goes onto the eyes can be a little bit different. So there's that as well. So hopefully you like the look that I came up with. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.